Vectorworks also includes a wide range of libraries that provide items such as symbols, hatches, wall types, and if you own Renderworks, textures that create lifelike materials in your 3D rendering. These libraries, or resources as they're called in Vectorworks, vary according to the type of Vectorworks product you've purchased. All of the Design Series products include extensive libraries specific to the design discipline covered. The libraries are accessed in two different ways. Some are made available through Vectorworks' system of default content, which provides a basic set of resources accessible to any file I work in without the need to import the resources first. For example, this hatch library is automatically available from the Attributes palette. Anything above this dividing line is in the current file, while anything below is part of default content and will be imported into this file as soon as it's used. Other examples of default content include gradient and image fill libraries, and the graphic styles used for annotation objects such as the section elevation marker and the drawing border. The Design Series programs also provide many more default content libraries.